Congratulations sa inyo mga kids! Narating natin ng week 8, ang kahuli-hulihang lesson sa grade 5 for quarter 2 mathematics. Ito ang lesson 3 of 3 na may pamagat, definition, and description of a proportion. Halina kayo, samahan niyo ako sa bidyong ito. The two ratios are proportional if the product of the extremes is equal to the product of the means. Thus, proportion means that two ratios are equal. To find the proportion, we can use cross multiplication. After going through this lesson, you are expected to define and describe a proportion. Copy the picture using the grid lines as a guide. Count the squares carefully. Use your notebook to illustrate the figure. Let us explore and discover the answers to the given problem. Cassandra uses 3 kilos of sampalok to make 24 dozens of sampalok candy. What is the ratio of the number of sampalok candy to the number of sampalok used? The ratio of sampalok candy to sampalok is 24 to 3 or 24 to 3 in column form. We can form another ratio from 24 to 3 by reducing this to lowest terms, and that is 8 to 1. Paano nangyari yon? 24 and 3, i-divide mo lang ito sa kanilang GCF. At ang GCF ng 24 and 3 is 3. So 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8, and 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Or 24 to 3 equals 8 to 1. How do we check if the second ratio is proportional to the given ratio? There are two parts in the proportion, the means and the extremes. 24 to 3 equals 8 to 1. I-multiply ang 24 and 1, ayan ang extremes. And 3 times 8, iyan naman ang means. For learning task 1, draw a heart if its given ratio shows proportion and draw a star if it does not. Write your answers in your notebook. Ating sagutan ng number 1. 3 to 9 equals 9 to 27. I-multiply ang 3 times 27 and that is 81. 9 times 9 equals 81. So, ang number 1 ay proportion. Sagutan naman natin ang number 2. 7 to 1 equals 5 to 3. 7 times 3 equals 21. 1 times 5 equals 5. Therefore, number 2 is not proportion. For learning task 2, read and analyze the problem. Write your answers in your notebook. A bag of N and N sweets contains just yellow and orange sweets. For every 2 yellow sweets, there are 6 orange sweets. Complete the table below, then answer the questions that follow. For every 6 orange sweets, there are 2 yellow sweets. Sa proportion, mahalagang matutunan ninyo ang pattern, lalo na kapag ang mga data ay naka-table. Inyong mapapansin sa yellow sweets, may pattern 2, 4, 6, 8. Ano kaya ang kasunod? Para naman sa orange sweets, 6, 12, 18, 24, at ano pa ang dalawang kasunod nito? So, ang total sweets, 2 plus 6 equals 8. 4 plus 12 equals 16. Meron ding pattern. 8, 16, 24, and so on. Ating sagutan ng number 1. What is the ratio of orange to yellow sweets? 6 to 2. Pero, kailangan natin itong i-change sa lowest term, kaya i-divide natin ito sa parehong 2. 6 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 2 equals 3 to 1. Para sa question number 2, if you have 8 yellow sweets, how many orange sweets will you have? Meron tayong 24 at ito ay makikita nyo sa table. Ngayon, sagutan ninyo na ang number 3, 4, and 5. Ating sagutan ang learning task 3. Solve the given problems. Write your answers in your notebook. For number 1, what number compared to 10 is the same as 25 compared to 5? So, therefore, n is to 10 equals 25 is to 5. So, n times 5 equals 5n. 10 times 25, 250. Then, 250 divided by 5 equals 50. So, the answer is 50. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga kids sa pagsama nyo sa ating lesson sa quarter 2 ng grade 5 mathematics. Muli nyo akong samahan sa atin sa quarter 3. Hanggang sa susunod. Paalam!